In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel to HubSpot. This integration is incredibly useful for automating your workflow and enhancing productivity, allowing you to easily synchronize data between these two popular platforms. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to make.com and log into your account. If you're new to Make, it's a powerful automation tool that lets you connect apps and automate workflows without any coding. Logging in will give you full access to its features, including setting up scenarios that manage your integrations efficiently. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on Create a New Scenario. This option will allow you to start building a custom automation workflow tailored to your specific needs. In this scenario, we're connecting GoHighLevel to HubSpot, so let's proceed with the next steps. Now click the plus button to add your first module and search for GoHighLevel. This app is known for its customer relationship management, CRM, and marketing capabilities, and it's perfect for businesses looking to streamline customer interactions. After selecting GoHighLevel, you'll need to choose a trigger event. Some common trigger events include new lead, form submission, or pipeline update. Selecting the right trigger is crucial as it defines when your automation will begin. Next, you'll have to connect your GoHighLevel account using your API key. You can find this key by heading to GoHighLevel, navigating to Settings, then to Company, and finally API key. Be sure to keep your API key secure and private. Once you've successfully connected GoHighLevel, you'll add another module by searching for HubSpot. HubSpot is widely used for inbound marketing, sales, and customer service tasks, making it a great companion to GoHighLevel. For your HubSpot module, choose an action event. Options include create contact, update deal, or add note. Selecting an appropriate action helps define what should happen in HubSpot when the GoHighLevel trigger is activated. It's time to connect your HubSpot account and authorize Make to access it. Ensure you're logged into the correct HubSpot account to avoid any issues. The next thing you'll want to do is map the GoHighLevel fields to the corresponding HubSpot fields, such as name, email, and phone. Proper field mapping ensures data accuracy and seamless data flow between your CRMs. Now, it's time to test your scenario. Click on Run Once and verify if the trigger and action execute as planned. This step is crucial. Finally, if everything looks good after testing, click on Save, then Schedule, and finally Activate. This will start the automation, keeping your operation smooth and efficient. And there we have it, a seamless connection between GoHighLevel and HubSpot, ensuring your data is always up to date and helping your business run more smoothly. If you encounter any issues, always double check your API keys, and the mapping of fields as small errors can disrupt your automation. Hope this tutorial helps you enhance your workflow.